Hello, buddy. Just want to see you. I'm not gonna touch you. Whoa. I wonder if that means like a full packet's about to come for me. You can come out. I'm not gonna hurt you. Just want to get you on camera. Then you'll be famous. I'm a YouTuber. You want to be famous? Little buddy. You don't have to get touched. You want to come out? Don't have to. Oh, there's two of you. Yes, love that little dance. So cute. Like and subscribe if you think they're cute. Love the music, man. Keep going. You too. Come on. I know you're there. Come on. You make some too. You make music too. Why not? Want to make music again? Well, buddy, you still there? He's so cute. Oh, he's scared of me. Man, why is he not moving? You can move. Yeah, you're moving now. What are you doing back there? Oh, hi. Hey. Hello. Man, you're good at climbing. You're like Spooderman. What does that mean? Oh, playing tag. They're playing tag. They're playing tag. Oh my god, they're actually playing tag. Man's trolling them. He's like making noises so he can find them, but then like he's moving. Come on, guys. Come on over. You good? They're so cute. Look at them. Where are they going? You heard something over there on the screen. Now he's mad at it. Where's he mad at me? Hopefully I'm mad at me. Wait, is he actually running? Wait, can he understand me? 10 minutes of just watching baby squirrels, just having fun. Oh, hi. You guys are small and cute. Hi. That guy's trying to run, but nice. You can run too. I mean, you don't have to. You could just be famous and stay on camera, but or just run and still be famous. Are you guys hungry? Because I got some acorns for ya. Come on, guys. Come on. I got some acorns. Y'all want some acorns? Hello. Your friend's trying to run. Wanna run with him? He looks hyped. You do too. You guys can run. Like, you're a living thing too. You can run. Did that guy actually run? I mean, okay. Oh no, he came back. Okay. I wonder what's in there. Keeps banging. Hi. Communicating. Nice. You can eat that if you want it. You look hungry. You're so you guys are so cute. So cute. Oh, playing tag again. Oh wow. Man, you guys are good at tag. Very fast too. What's up, man? Oh. I'm playing tag again. Man. You guys are juking each other. Whoa. Oh. Where'd they go? Oh, there you are. Hi. Nice, man. Here, come out. The viewers can't see you. Can you find your friend? Where's your friend? Do you know where your friend is? You guys still playing tag or what? Still playing tag? Does that mean you're still playing tag? Where are your friends? Your tail is long, man. You're small, but your tail is long. And you're cute. Oh, you're thirsty. Nice.